Assalamu alaikum, dear teachers. How are you? I am your teacher Kashif Ali. Now you know that last time I have created a blog. I have teach you how you can create a blog for your school purposes. Now today, after a long time, I will teach you how you can set your blog or website. How you can post on your blog. For example, I want to change these menus. I want This is the home page. I want to change these menus. Menu 1, I will rename it like syllabus, events, teachers corner and parents corner. Now I will change these tabs and these options. For example, I will change the menu 1. I will go to the theme. I will click here and edit HTML. Now you can see that this is the HTML code. Please remember, don't change the code. If you don't know how you can change the code, if you don't know language about this code, if you cannot change or remove one dot or full stop or comma or anything else, then your website will be disturbed. For example, I want to change this menu 1. I will click here I will click anywhere. I will type Control F and I will search menu 1. Now you can see that menu 1 has been showed. I will change the menu. I will type curriculum or syllabus. And I will type here play nursery prep. Now I have changed. I will click here save. Now changes has been successful changed. You can see that syllabus has been showed. You can change also these menus. Menu 4 and 5. This is the menu 4. I will change it one class. But if you want to change, if you want to make more menus, then select this code and select this code with Control C and press enter and Control V. And then press enter, Control V. If you want two menus, if you want to more menus, then you can click here and paste the code. Now you can see that LI, it is starting with LI and it is closing with /LI. Now remember that this is the complete code. This code is starting from LI and ending from /LI. Now copy this complete code and paste in press enter and paste here, and I will save. I will refresh the page. I will check. You can see that these are the different menus has been created. Now if you want to change these menus, menu 2, menu 3 and menu 4, you can also change. This is the I will change search menu 2. This is the menu 2. I will change its events and this is the sub menu 1. I will change Mother's Day, and I will change. You can create your own menus. Teachers Day, and you can now you can get a idea from these menus. I think your problem will be solved. And I will refresh the page, and you can see that events list has been showed. I hope you will like this small tip about how you can create a blog buttons. Now next class I will teach you how you can create a post and active these buttons, how you can use these button and link with these buttons. So thanks for watching. See you next class. Allah Hafiz.